Hey Foo fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a sleek low bun on my natural hair. I recently dyed my hair. If you guys did not watch that video, I'm gonna link it up there. But I actually really love this color on me, y'all. I know I look crazy, just ignore that because I really have nothing on. I just woke up, face is puffy. We're just the complete opposite of presentable in my eyes. So we're gonna get started on this sleek bun. But before we do that, if you guys don't know me, hi, my name is Daphne, but I go by Fufu, and we are on the road to 50K subscribers, trying to reach that before 2020 is over, y'all. I still have hope, I still have faith. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button to support your girl. But guys, as far as the condition of my hair right now, it's very moisturized. You can actually see it in my hands. I moisturized it last night and I put my hair in a ponytail. I just used my Kensu curling cream. This product works amazing for me, and I strongly recommend you guys using it if you're natural, because the moisture, the anti-breakage quality of it is just fantastic. As you can already tell, my bun is gonna be a middle part bun because I rarely do those and I think those are so pretty. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Oh wow guys, this is so crazy. I can see a tiny bit of black new growth. Oh my gosh! That's also one reason I really wanted to dye my hair, so I could keep track of my new growth and see what is working for me and what is not. And if you guys want to see like a video of me doing a natural hair treatment, tracking my new growth, then go ahead and comment that down below because I would completely be down. In order to do my sleek buns, what I normally do is part my hair into 3 sections. It is easier because I already have a middle part, and the parts don't have to be perfect at all, guys. We're just trying to work with the back first. Now that we got that out of the way, we're gonna be working on the back, and basically what we're gonna do is just get our gel, sleek it down, and I also have a hard bristled brush. So this is the hard side, this is the soft side. We're gonna need both sides. So for my gel, I'm gonna be using the Eco Styler gel. This is in the olive green version, and I'm also, I don't know y'all, I think I'm also gonna be using the Wet Line Extreme. I'm gonna be like basically mixing it in my hands, if that makes any sense. But for my edges, I'm gonna be using the #1 edge control gel that I know. It is the Edge Fixer Glued Max Hold Edge Control, y'all. This works wonders. This is so amazing. Just know if y'all struggling with your edges, y'all need to try this out because it really does work, y'all. Perfect. This is basically what the back is looking like. And now all you're gonna be doing is applying gel. So I'm gonna mix it in my hands, and this gel smells so fruity, y'all. The Wet Line Extreme. Like I said guys, this gel is not the one that I'm gonna be relying on to really hold my hair together. That's gonna be the Eco Styler gel, but this gel is good as well because it's like a good base. Perfect. So before I go in with my hard bristled brush, I'm actually gonna go ahead and take some Eco Styler. I'm gonna take that much for the whole entire back. And finally, for the fun part, I'm gonna get the hard side of my brush and I'm gonna brush it. I love this part, y'all, because it's really when you start feeling and seeing your hair become so sleek. And since I want it to be a low bun, I am dragging the brush so it could go down. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the soft side. I'm gonna take my scrunchie from one of these sections because I don't need them anymore. And I'm just gonna tie this really tight. Perfect. Oh, it's hot in this house. I'm gonna go put the AC on. It's so hot in here. Y'all know what I was thinking about? What if I make like the back of it like a curly situation, right? Like, so it's gonna be a bun, not a bun. It's gonna be like a ponytail, but like my ends are gonna be curled. Should I do that? Y'all ever have that pain when your side hurts and you're stuck, and if you move, you're gonna die? Because that's what I'm going through right now. So I got that part out of the way. Now we're gonna do the same to the front section. And I think I wanna leave like a little section of my sides out because I just do that, and that's like my signature look. I really wish I had like a comb or something. Oh y'all, by the way, my boyfriend went to DR for a whole week, y'all. And he's finally back, so your girl is happy AF. All right guys, so now we're gonna do the same thing to this side. So I'm gonna go in with my Wet Line Extreme. And honestly, the front is kind of the tricky part because you have to make sure all of your hair is gathered properly and it has the right shape and form. You guys are gonna see what I mean. But yeah, definitely the front is the trickier part. Ooh, but look at my little curls though. Now again, I'm gonna go in with my Eco Styler. Okay guys, so a tip, when you're applying the Eco Styler or the gel of your choice, make sure you get this area right here, this area. That area is gonna be molded backwards to join this ponytail, and it needs to be smooth and not puffy. Because imagine if you mold it back and it's this puffy. Just a little tip I learned from trial and error. I cannot wait to do a wash and go. Look at these curls. I'm just gonna go in with the hard side of the brush, and I'm gonna brush this back. So now we're gonna get this side and just really quickly assemble it with this side. This is not official whatsoever, guys. Let me find out this is gonna be my signature style now. This is so cute. This is so freaking pretty. Stop looking at me. Stop looking at me. So, same thing over here. I'm gonna take out this little section. By the way, taking out that section was a great idea because imagine when I curl it. Yeah. It's a good day. Hey Siri, what day is it?
It's Monday, December 7th, 2020.
Wrong. It's a good day. Oh my gosh. Somebody just commented. Bruh, I think I just found my new favorite YouTube what? The comment cutoff YouTuber? Oh my god, let me show y'all. Riri, shout out to you, baby. Cause I see you. I see you and I appreciate you, baby. I'm about to like your comment right now. Y'all have no idea the impact of kind words to someone. Like, it could really make somebody's day, like, you know? So be kind. Some people be on my channel just spreading negativity. And it's like, sometimes I just have to scoot down to their level and reply. Other people, y'all are just amazing. Perfect. So now same thing to this side. Oh, and guys, I am recording a part 2 of my story time of when my dentist tried to scam me. So if you guys watched part 1 and y'all was just wondering where part 2 was, it's here, baby. It's coming really soon. And guys, you could gel everywhere down, but if you do not gel that little area I told you about, you are messing up. Right here, baby, make sure you gel it down. Perfect. Now, Eco Styler. Let me go ahead. Oh my gosh, y'all, I love this haircut. Let me just stop because that's getting old. Like, you keep saying that. Y'all know I don't know how to swim. Like, did y'all know that? Because I don't. And I live in Miami where the bitch where the beaches are. And I don't know how to swim, y'all. That is crazy to my you. Alright guys, so I'm gonna keep brushing until I feel like it is molded how I want it to be. I want to get some of my edge control because this thing works wonders. I'm gonna get like this much, y'all, and I'm just gonna put it all throughout my hand and apply a general coat over my hair. And this is like healthy hair glue. It's just gonna hold everything in place. Now I'm gonna take out all of the sections. Ooh, look at my curls, y'all. I can't get over that. When you gotta hurry up when you're doing this part too, because you don't want your hair to get back so puffy. All right, I got it all out and that only took forever. All right, now this is the hardest part of it all, guys. I'm gonna get my hard bristled brush one last time, and we're just gonna go in it, guys. We're gonna go crazy molding the hair together. I'm gonna get both scrunchies. And you have to get durable scrunchies that you know are not gonna break easily, guys. Now we're gonna do a very tight ponytail. If I said I wasn't sweating, just know I'm lying, because boy, I am sweating. Oh my god, girl. We're gonna use a shirt. Huh? Is there a problem? I am too tired for this. What time is it? It is 10:54. I'm intermittent fasting. I cannot eat before 12, so grumpy ain't the word for me right now. This bun done outworked me. So that's what I'm working with for now, and I'm gonna go ahead and just fix up these little bits right here. I'm gonna put some Wetline Extreme on them first, so I can see what I'm working with. I'm gonna do the same to the other side. We never have a zoomed in moment. Like, it's just crazy, isn't it? And my camera's gonna be full of gel. Y'all, I'm just so shocked that my hair did not get damaged from dyeing it. Like, look at my curls just reverting. Like, look at that. My curls are still here, baby. Oh my god. Alright. The wet line seems to be doing a good job with just defining my curls. So I don't think I'm gonna go in with the Eco Styler, but I am gonna go ahead and twist the root. Like, let me see. Is one time good? That is literally perfect. Okay, look at me. Discovering new methods. So for the edges, I don't think I want to do anything, honestly, because the hair is already a beautiful style as is. But since we do need to take a nice thumbnail picture, I'm gonna have to do something. That looks really good to me. So I think I'm ready for the reveal. So let's take this down. Oh, we still gotta do the little bun in the back. Thought you was finished, baby. Oh wow. Basically, this is what it's looking like. So for the bun, hear me out. I don't think I want to do a bun. Oops. Y'all, I have a fat neck, and the bun would not hide it. So, but this style is called a sleek bun. This is not a bun. Whatever. Hope y'all can forgive me. Yeah, guys, perfect. This is the finished result. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Road to 50K again, so let's go. And follow my Instagram at @funny_. I post bomb content on there, and all this missing is you. So what are you waiting for? I'm gonna go ahead and record the part 2 to that story time for y'all, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Foo out. Love you.